Parked outside all night. Couldn't find underground parking. Let's wipe the bike down first. Probably won't need this raincoat again today. So many buckles. Done.
You're playing all the way, huh? Going to Mount Sanking from here?
I'm heading to Wuyuan Route 1 later.
Wuyuan Route 1, the famous road. Gonna ride it.
Yeah, riding it. In this weather, it's so comfortable.
Is the road hard to ride?
Not hard, but I saw a lot of curves.
Don't ride too fast. Lot of cars since it's year end.
Yeah, I'll be careful, especially with the rain.
Right, the rain, plus migrant workers returning home for the year end.
Oh, so many cars.
Okay, you gotta slow down.
Got it. Is it steep?
Not steep. The road is good.
All right. Thank you. All right. Wow, heavy fog. Mountains on the right are shrouded in mist. Pumping my own gas, haha. I can get 95 octane here. Cash, gas card, or easy pay. Can I pay with my phone? Cash is needed. Easy pay is fine too. I don't have that. What do I do? Can't scan WeChat?
No post machine here.
Uncle. Can you lend me some cash? I'll transfer it to you. Can you lend me some cash? I'll transfer it to you. They don't accept mobile payments here. Okay, thank you. Just fill up 20 yen worth. I still have some gas left. Okay. Refueling complete. Please return the nozzle. Safe travels to all friends on the road. Jiangwan seems to be a big scenic area. I'll park my motorcycle there and take a photo. Welcome back to Wuyuan. Come again. Looks like it's starting. These 3 colored lines mean Wuyuan Route 1. I see it. The starting point should be at Qingyuan village. But it's a bit of a detour, so I'll skip it. Riding this section is nice enough, very beautiful. Wow, it's getting foggy. Now I'm hesitating whether to keep going up. So foggy, why are my headlights useless? Glad a car passed by. The road ahead should be fine. What kind of cow is this? Did it get separated, got lost? Poor cow. Wuyuan Route 1 is too beautiful. You definitely have to ride it. Just that the weather isn't great today, but it has a unique kind of scenery too. No one's around. Quick, stop for a photo. Let's go. Wow, the sun is out. Feeling grateful. Navigating to Chengtuling parking area. Parked the bike here, then walked over, just taking a look. This is Wuyuan Route 1. A very beautiful S-curve. This Route 1, the route is actually quite long. I've been riding for a while. Heading down now. Just left Wuyuan Route 1. Next destination, home. 303 kilometers to go. All travel must be done in the afternoon. What's up? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Arrived in Qingdezhen. 243 kilometers left. Gonna find a place to eat first. Haven't seen any restaurants along the way. Eat! This traffic jam is terrifying. I've been coasting for over 200 meters. My clutch hand is getting tired. Oh, there's a wedding car here. Happy wedding. beating gongs and sounding drums. Feeling better. Onto the main road. Just got gas. 176 kilometers left. 33 kilometers ahead to Poyang. Traffic jam. A bridge with no end in sight is a bit scary. Feels like it leads to the edge of the sky. A 2,000-meter-long bridge, a gift on the national highway. Hardly any cars on the road. Riding on this bridge is so satisfying. Feels like being on a highway. The road is clear all the way, so awesome. So many potholes along the way. Strongly advise against this route, Yiliguan section. It's full of broken, bad roads. About to enter Nanchang Avenue. Met a fellow rider instantly awake. Met a fellow rider instantly awake. Taking a break here, getting tired. My butt is numb from sitting. 58.4 kilometers to go. Arriving before 7 p.m. Why is it all slopes like this? So bumpy. 46 kilometers left. Beautiful sunset. Why is it so congested? Isn't it a holiday? The last 25 kilometers. I'm so hungry, gotta eat. I'll park my bike in a bit. Going to eat boiled and fried food with my sister. I'll have my sister scout ahead for me, run interference, take a look. See if anyone's home. Nobody's home. Finally home safe. Once I put on my riding gear, you can't tell if I'm a guy or a girl. All right, park the bike here. Exhausted, never riding a motorcycle again.